Welcome to Cooking with Dragons. My name is Rourke. And this is a late episode, kind of. Well, whatever time this goes out is what time it goes out. I'll tell you. So, today I'm making a loaded steakhouse burger out of lamb. I've been meaning to use lamb for a while now, but I've been having trouble getting it up until now. So, next couple weeks or so, or later on down the line at least, I'm going to be trying to do more with lamb, see what happens. There's a video I need to make now. I tried to make it the other day, but for some reason the camera was on slow motion, so I will have to redo that. Eventually, I'm going to be making moussaka. Yes. But today I'm doing a burger because, yeah, I don't have the other ingredients for moussaka at the moment, and I don't want the lamb to go bad, and I don't really feel like freezing it. So, only option is to use it. So that's what we're gonna do. And well, the loaded steakhouse burger is going to have, well, we'll call it a loaded steak burger. Loaded lamb burger. We'll get there. But anyway, I have this baked potato here that I've already baked, so, and I'm going to turn that into kind of a spread to put onto the burger. And I'm also going to put some bacon on there. Also going to have some crispy onions and some A1 sauce. I'll put that on at the end of the burger, when I'm assembling the burger, of course. And for the lamb meat, I'm just going to give it some garlic pepper, since this potato is actually very salty right now, so, yeah. And so is the bacon, so, you know. So I'm going to make the bacon first, then I'm going to make the burger with, I'm going to make the bacon first, followed by the lamb. And yeah, this should hopefully be crushed and ready to go by the time I need it. So, while that's cooking, I'm going to get that. So, while that's cooking, I'm going to try to assemble this, and then once that's done, I'll be cooking that. And then I will toast the buns, and then we will build a sandwich. So that's the plan anyway. Alright, so let's get the bacon. And as you can see, I have a bigger skillet now. This is a 12-inch type cast iron skillet. Should be a good way to season it as well, so, yeah. So what am I doing with the potato? Like I said, this is gonna go on top of a sandwich. So this is kind of a potato. This is kind of a potato spread. Yeah. Getting the masher out. A little bit of butter. I'm gonna give it some Italian seasoning. This is just marjoram, thyme, basil, rosemary, and oregano. Yeah. Just want that butter nicely incorporated. Using the knife. Alright. That should be good for a sandwich. Or two. Alrighty. Pull that lamb. Just grabbing half a pound. Toast and buns. Again. Alrighty. Double diamond. Alright, let's make it a double. Okay, so put the onions on top of the bun. Warm that up a little bit. Bacon. Don't be shy on the bacon. A1 sauce. Just for the potatoes. And here we have loaded steakhouse burger. Yeah. Here we have a lamb burger. It fell apart a little bit because guess that's a lot of toppings. I guess that's why they call it loaded though. So there's that. I probably would not be able to get a cross section of that, but we're gonna at least see how it tastes. Yeah, part of the cheese fell off, but work in progress. Very lean. Whatever falls off, that's what you use a spoon for. But yeah, those potatoes give it a nice creamy texture. And of course, since the skin was loaded with salt, I wanted to keep that on there. Nice and crispy, nice and salty, very savory. And the meat meat is cooked through, so yeah. All right. Loaded Steakburger. Check it out. Thank you for watching. My name is Rourke, Cooking with Dragons. We are exploring the world of food. See you next time and keep on feeding the fire.